swing. Level 1, 6 count. Week 4, that's Peter, I'm Stacia.
That's right. So, let's talk. So we did mostly review, and then we did some etiquette things. Smell good, brush your teeth, etc. Thank you. Be nice to people. We talked about asking people to dance. Here's a great way to ask someone to dance. Would you like to dance?
Sure.
Keep it simple, y'all. There's a
Same
lot of
thing
like
for me.
real fancies out there, or like just ask someone to dance. No big deal. They'll say yes usually, and they don't have to, but they probably will. Followers ask leaders to dance. Leaders ask followers all the time. Mix it up. And we just reminded everybody, if you want to dance, you got to actually be dancing. There was a lot of like hands in your pockets, civilian stuff out there. None of that shit. No. Get into it. Get into the dance. And when you move around, you kind of have to. And so keep that in your basic whenever you're going. We only did like a couple new things. We did, the end of Frankie Sixes, we did this little jump turn. Rock, step, oh yeah, bang. And once we were here, we're like, what if we shook something? So we did a mess around, or we also did the booty shake. Either one is good. Have fun, go out dancing, that's it.